Hiring the wrong developer can cost you $200,000 in lost revenue and delays. I've seen non-technical founders miss the red flags in interviews, and it puts their entire vision in jeopardy. Let's talk about how to spot real talent, even if you're not a techie. A lot of non-technical founders go with their gut or get dazzled by shiny resumes when picking developers. This is often a disaster waiting to happen. Take Brex, for instance. During their crazy growth phase, they hired a senior developer just because of an impressive resume. Turns out, that developer couldn't deliver the practical skills they needed, which led to frustrating delays in product development. In fact, they lost $2.3 million in potential revenue due to these setbacks. And don't get me started on technical jargon. It can blind you to a developer's real skills. Buzzwords might sound cool, but they don't guarantee expertise. I once worked with a startup that relied heavily on terms like full stack and agile, only to find out their developer couldn't even set up a basic API. This is exactly the kind of mess we help founders untangle every week at GotYourTech.ai. The truth is, many founders overlook the importance of practical assessments. For example, a company like Airbnb has a rigorous coding test that candidates must pass to demonstrate their actual abilities. This level of scrutiny ensures they hire developers who can truly contribute to their mission. If you want to avoid costly mistakes, you need a structured approach to evaluate talent, not just a gut feeling. When you're evaluating developers, keep it simple. First, check their portfolio. Look at Brex. They hit a $10 by dollar valuation by showcasing the actual work their engineers did. That's how you attract top talent and set clear coding standards. Second, always ask for references. Good developers, like those from Figma, will have clients who rave about them. If they can't provide that, you should be worried. For instance, Stripe's developers are often praised for their reliability and expertise, which is a testament to their rigorous vetting process. Lastly, be real about your own technical judgment. Many non-technical founders get tripped up here. They might not know the difference between a good code structure and a poor one. This is the kind of stuff we help with every week at GotYourTech.ai, so you're not going blind into hiring. Consider implementing a technical interview process where candidates solve real-world problems. This is how companies like AWS filter out the best talent. They focus on practical skills rather than just theoretical knowledge. By establishing clear criteria for evaluation, you can ensure you're not just hiring someone with a great resume, but someone who can genuinely help your business grow. Remember, it's about finding developers who can align with your vision and deliver results. You want to build a team that not only meets your immediate needs, but can also adapt and evolve as your company scales. Don't let uncertainty paralyze your hiring. Get smart about who you bring on board. If you need help navigating this, go to GotYourTech.ai. You'll find real support in picking the right tech team for your startup. Make the right choice today and set yourself up for success.